following video is my failed attempt to install the Greddy RS Revolution exhaust myself. After I got my exhaust off and I went to go bolt everything up, I discovered the holes on the S-pipe were spaced too far apart to match up with the holes on the Dezod Green header. Now, it's supposed to match up with the stock manifold, so there may be no issues with that, but in terms of the Dezod, it will not fit without doing some modifications. Keep watching the video though, because I will show you at least the individual pieces of the Greddy exhaust, as well as the inside diameter. I can't remember what else I recorded. It's late at this point. I smashed my head on the lift. It was not fun. Alright, well, on to the video. I've been holding on to it for a few weeks now, but I'm finally able to install my Greddy RS Revolution exhaust on the car. Going over to my friend's house tonight to use his garage and lift because it's way too cold outside to work on my driveway. I have no idea what tools he has available, so I'm bringing my entire toolbox, my ratcheting set, my electric impact gun and sockets with an extension cord. I've got a mini butane torch in here. I've got my sound meter right here, grease for the polyurethane exhaust hanger mounts. I think I have everything that I'm going to hopefully need over there. All right, let's get going. Here we are at my friend's place. Alright, so I've got the car up on the lift. Here's the Greddy exhaust in all of its glory on the floor. So all the individual pieces. Here's the resonator and the S-pipe, which has the O2 sensor bung right there. Of course, the outside diameter will be 2.5 inches, but let's see what the inside one is. So 2.38. All right, let's start taking the stock exhaust off. Quick look at it here. You can see that it has a ton more bends towards the back there, especially right here compared to the Greddy. I've disconnected the O2 sensor and I've started spraying things down with liquid wrench at all the bolts. So bolts here, the O2 sensor over here, at the header, and the one that always gets stuck, the muffler. So I'll let that sit for a little bit. We'll come back and then start unbolting things. I'll also need to remove the factory rear chassis brace, and I don't think that's going to be any issue unbolting. And I might be able to leave the mid chassis brace in place while I do this. I'm just going to put something on top to prevent it from being damaged if the exhaust drops on it. We got the Borla muffler and the mid pipe off. We could not separate the two though because the bolts are really seized on there. So I'll have to figure that out later. But ended up using basically a breaker bar, big socket wrench, pry bar, and lubricant for the rubber exhaust hangers. But here we go. So nice and clear of exhaust. And we're ready to start installing the Greddy now. I thought I was in the clear when I got the O2 sensor out and all the bolts out, but the new problem is the holes on the flange that connects to the header are too far apart. So you can see the holes don't line up, and it seems a little loose. I don't know if it's going to be a good seal or not. It's kind of hard to tell. Now, someone else said they had the same exact issue when they had their Greddy installed, but they brought it to a shop. So the shop actually modified the flange to make it work. And it works great for him, but I don't have those resources in my friend's garage. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my car to a shop and have them do the installation. So for now, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you avoid running into this problem if you're going to tackle the installation yourself and you do have a Dezod header. Once I get it installed at the shop though, I will do a video review of the exhaust system. Thank you for watching.